Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? And welcome back to the channel. I just tried to go live. It did not work out for me, so I'm just doing a quick video. I'm gonna upload it and talk to you guys just a little bit about the Ducky fuel injector giveaway. I did have a person donate me a set of Bosch body injectors for a core, half-ass 719. I'll put his link for his channel down in the description. Thank you very much. It is greatly appreciated. He has opened it up for anybody to win these injectors now. I do not need a core back, and anybody is able to win. Don't matter if you have a core or not. So if you guys want a chance to win a set of Ducky 125 a set of Ducky 125 sack injectors. These have been checked over by Chris and given a clean bill of health, and they are good to go in somebody's truck. And like I said, these are a set of sack style 125 horse injectors for a VP truck. Anybody can win those. Thank you again to Half-Ass 719. His link is in the description, and also he is on Instagram. Check him out. He does some pretty good videos. He just finished up a Cummins 6.7 build on his channel. But I want your guys' help. When I reach 2,000 subscribers, 2,000 family members, I'm going to give these away. So tell everybody, share the channel. I want your help to reach 2,000 family members to be able to give these injectors away. When I am there, they will be given away. That's pretty much all I have to say, guys. If you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and tell your friends to get on there, subscribe to the channel so we can give these Ducky injectors away.